Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Push 2 for a beginner. Personal opinion, you'll do fine without it for learning. But for having more fun and finding inspiration, it is really nice. Also, it's probably really good for learning about drum sequencing.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
For the number of features, FL Studio is the clear winner. They jam-pack their software with so much that you'll never run out of things to explore, which can be a good or bad thing, depending on your workflow. That being said, Ableton Live still has killer, high-quality features that makes it a more than capable DAW.
Take our lead.
Ableton Live is one of the most easy to learn DAW. But it's also quite deep, so to be able to use its standard features you actually only need a full day, give or take. Ableton's decidedly clean and simple design makes it easy to pick up and use it right away.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Push 2 without computer. No, Push and Push 2 need to be connected to a Mac PC. It is just a controller. It has not got the possibility to connect it to an audio interface too. It is dedicated to be the most wonderful control surface for live.
Take our lead.
The quality is so much better than the Launchpad, and it does far more. I don't even work in music, and ever since I got my Push 2 I've tripled the amount of time I spend in live. I was worried I might never use it, but it's been incredibly useful and productive. Its in-key mode is really great too.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.